Hello guys and welcome back to Zool's Lab 2. I first off want to apologize. This is actually out 2 days late. This was supposed to be out on March 25th. It's actually now March 27th, which yes, there is a mission later. I'll get to that in a later video. Because next time we're going to another universe. Speaking of which, welcome back to Operation Multiverse. It is Monday, March 27th of 2023. Like I just said, this was supposed to be out on Saturday, March 25th. With all that out of the way, let's jump into it. Our second mission in Operation Multiverse in total is Destroy Operation Ally 2024 sign. Now that makes absolutely zero sense in the case of the Multiverse of Zola's Lab, since this has nothing to do with Operation Ally, or just Lego's Island in general. I guess that's his point of attack. And speaking of which, we haven't even done 2023 as Operation Ally as of recording this. Not for another 2 months. There we go. I almost said 2.5. No, less than 2 months. Well, we already got our first sign here, and from what I gathered, there are 3 total. Spread across, of course, the lab. Or should we just say the light universe? Anyway, we're obviously going to read them all. This is a very similar mission to the Future Party a few months back, or actually a month back. So, yeah. Of course, after we read them, we will destroy them. February 6, 2024 marks 5 years since Lego's Island was corrupted. Evil Cluck will ruin it. It is true. February 6, 2024 is indeed the 5-year anniversary of the corruption of Lego's Island. We will be doing Operation Lego's Island at that time to purposely save the corruption from not happening. Purposely, we need to make sure the corruption, still happens, because the next sign we're about to read will make more sense of that. For now, get out of here and get out of here! That's 1 sign down, 2 to go. Next up, it is in the roof. And great, this won't even open. Oh, never mind. It will on that end. And hey, here! It did! Let me put a lever here, because I forgot. And that's technically supposed to be here. Okay, that will not close. Anyway, that's besides the point. Our next sign. This one makes way more sense. If Lego's Island corruption never happened, Operation Lego's Island wouldn't exist. Save the corruption. Indeed, because it is true. If Lego's Island was never corrupted back in 2019, we would have never had Operation Lego's Island. That's not actually a joke. That's serious. Operation Lego's Island would have never existed if the corruption never happened. Apparently, it looks like that day was more important than we all thought, and we never knew until 3 months later when it was announced. And then it would eventually take place half a year later. Dang. So much build up to that. Holy frick. Just because of a simple corruption. It makes you realize that day was really important, apparently. But get out of here and get out of here. That is 2 signs down, 1 to go. The final one is on the balcony. And, well, let's move Sparkles Jr. out of the way real quick, because we need to read this. Stop Evil Cluck's plan of keeping the corruption non-existent. February 6. It is true. One of the main goals of Operation Ally 2024 is Evil Cluck keeping the corruption from, not happening, which would literally defeat the purpose of Operation Ally even existing to begin with. Remember that sign that we just read before this? Yeah, that's basically the idea here. So we have to save the corruption. We have to make sure it still happens. Otherwise, again, Operation Ally would not exist in our time. So, that is something to look forward to. Here's the thing. That's technically 11 months away as of recording this, so what's even the point of doing this? So, get out of here and boom! Mission complete. Alright guys, that is the second mission done, and I'll put it in there just for that, because that's kind of what we were looking at the whole time. So, guys, I am here to announce that we are done with the light universe. And that means the portal has reopened, because now we're on to the next part of the multiverse, where we will encounter even more versions of all the shape here. With that being said, look out for that in the next episode.